Okay, so we look like we're calm, cool, and collected right now, but we just had a really exciting experience. So talk us through it.
Yeah, we're sitting here minding our own business because that's what you do when you fish, right?
Right.
And then anyway, our way back line took off, and got it to our backing. So I mean, he was getting it. So we determined that it was a big fish before we got going, and then we put Casey on it. We didn't put you on it this time.
Not this time. No, not for the first fish. I can't lose the first fish. Maybe the second one.
So it very calmly just moved over to the right side of the boat, and it didn't pull Collins in on the first try, and
Nope.
and we gapped it and threw it in. It's probably, I mean, the way it works is, we're fishermen, right? So it's a solid 100-pound fish
At least.
until we get to the dock, and then it's probably a solid 60, and then when we weigh it, it'll probably be 55, but we can feel really good about it until then. But it's got a lot of girth to it. It's a good fish.
It's a nice size fish.
Yeah.
It really is.
So that puts us on the board, but it also, kind of shows you what we're doing. I mean, in that case, we made a little bit of adjustment on our way back. I went back and dropped about half as far as it was, and we're still doing the same thing. We're just going back and forth over this ledge. The water temperature's been sitting just under 70, and we're trolling. There's a lot of boat traffic around us. A lot of guys are high speeding. Looked like we just passed a guy. Looked like he might be live baiting. So everybody's got their own methodology.
Their own thing going on.
That's right.
Yeah, but ours was successful.
That's right.
So
I mean, why wouldn't you just do it our way? The heck?
Exactly. You obviously know what we're doing.
Well, that's why we brought Collins along with us.
Yeah, that's right. But that fish about dumped, which is a 50 reel, which is a big reel. And he about took every bit of line on there. So he's got a lot of girth, and he's, thick fish. That was cool. Exciting.
It was exciting.
So we put our big guy on it, Casey.
Yeah.
It's a great fish to go home with, and
Now
hopefully
I
we're going to
need
go
to
home with
fish.
some more.
Get away from Grant because
Yeah.
we're on the spot.
I know.
Bye.
So another fish any second, right?
Yeah, that's how it works.
That's how it works.
Good.
What you got there? Is that a kingfish?
The water? Oh my gosh.
King or what? Really good. Really good. You don't have to gas that kingfish. Wahoo. Black kid.
Like a Wahoo, only different.
Here, second, Casey. Hold this wire. Tuna. It's a nice black one. Go football. out the side. Look at this. See how they're bright blue? Getting out in the water thing.
I'm fuck with this thing.
Nice one. Beautiful. Let's go! Here.
Stay with us for more On the Water with the Boathouse.